Hey friends, we are working on lesson 4.4 on page 185. So lesson 4.4, page 185, we're thinking about regrouping for addition. And the question we're asking ourselves is, when do you regroup in addition? It says to use the sticks and singles to model a problem, and then we'll draw quick pictures to show what you did. So let's start with the models. Brandon has 24 action figures. He has 24. And Mario has 8 action figures. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. How many action figures do they have all together? Well, we've been oops, I'll move this where you can see those bottom ones. There we go. 2 sticks and 4 is 24. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're going to make a tens. I have 4 here, and I'm going to need to make enough for 10. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see, how many of those did I move up there? I started with 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to cover those 4 guys up. I brought to the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I regrouped 6 of the singles to make another 10 up here. So I have 10, 20, 30, and 2 more. Okay, slight pause there. So we regrouped 6 of our singles up to the top to make another 10. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. There's another 10 stick. I'm going to swap out the singles for a 10 stick. So now I have, let's count it, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Cool. Now let's take a look and draw that quick picture on our paper. So we started out with 2 10s and 4 1s, and then I had 8 down here, you notice I'm not really coloring super careful. I'm not trying to color it all in. I just want to make sure I know which ones I've colored in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So how many do they have all together? Well, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to regroup and move those 6 up here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I take all of these, I can do another stick over here that gets rid of my 1s. I've made another stick in the 10s column. I have 10, 20, 30, and then I'm going to count my 1s, 31, 32. How many action figures? 32. Good. So I made a 10 in my model. Remember, I regrouped some of my 1s together so that I had 10 all together, and then I crossed it off and I put a stick in my 10s column to represent my new 10 that I just made over here. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Okay, let's turn it over. We're going to add 37 and 25. We start out with 30 and 7 and 25. So, can I make a 10? Yes. I can take 3 from here and put them up there. So yes, I can do that. Step 2. If you can make a 10, regroup. So I'm going to take these 1s that I just made into a 10, and I'm going to put it in the 10s column. I'm going to take that 1 and I'm going to put it over, I'm going to take the ones and put it over here in the tens column. Okay, so there's my 10. Trade 10 ones for 1 10 to regroup. And then over here, write how many tens and ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, and 1, 2 ones. So if I have 6 tens and 2 ones, I have 62. Cool. Let's move to the bottom. We're going to draw to show the regrouping. Write how many tens and ones in the sum, and then write the sum. So we have 47 and 15. 10, 20, 30, 40, 4 tens, and 7 ones. 15 is 1 10 and 5 ones. Can I make a 10? Yes, I can bring 3 up here. Okay. Can I make another 10? Yes, I can take this 10 and make another 10 stick. And then I have my singles. So how many tens do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more 10. 6 tens and 2 ones. So if I have 6 tens and 2 ones, I have 62. Let's try it again. 48 plus 8. So I start with 10, 20, 30, 40. I have 4 tens and 8 ones, and I want to add 8 more. Can I make a 10 out of this? Yes. I can take 2 of these and move them up to here. Now I have a new 10 right here. I'm going to take it out of the ones, and I'm going to make a 10 stick out of it. I'm going to regroup it from ones to a 10 stick. Now I count how many tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I have 5 tens and 6 ones, then I have 56. And the last one, I'm going to add 26 and 38. 20, that's 2 tens and 6 ones. 3 tens and 8 ones. So, can I regroup over here? I sure can. I need 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to take these guys right here, move them up. Okay, so now I'm going to regroup these ones as another stick. Good. And let's count the 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, I don't count these guys because I move them up. I regroup them. So 6 tens, 4 ones is 64. Got it? Okay. I'll see you later.